Hello techies, this is lab 12.2.7 and we're going to edit power options. So for the power button action for existing power options, on battery will be to hibernate, plugged in will be shut down. So we're also going to set the following default settings for when the lid is closed for all existing power plants. On battery is going to be set to sleep, and while it is plugged in, it's going to set to do nothing. And we also require a password when the computer wakes up. Select the high performance power plan and modify it as follows. Turn off display, and on battery will be 5 minutes, plugged in will be 1 hour. To put the computer to sleep, when it's on battery it's going to be 30 minutes, and when it is plugged in it's going to be 5 hours. So to adjust the power settings, open the control panel and select hardware and sound power options. Alright, so let's start up right away. So we want to select this and we want to type control panel, and here we have control panel here, and we want to go to hardware and sound. Yep, and under hardware and sound you can see the power option, so we select these and select this. So from the instructions, existing power plan, let's see, set the following default panel for power button. So I'm just going to set to hibernate, and this is going to set to shut down. Okay, set the following setting for when lid is closed. So this is going to set to do nothing, and this is already set to sleep, so we won't touch this. So we'll go to change power settings, so we'll require a password and save changes, and we go over to high performance and we change plan. So for this we are going to set this to 5 minutes, and we're going to set this to 1 hour and put the computer to sleep. Yep, we're going to set this to 30 minutes, and we're going to set this to 5 hours. So we'll go ahead and save changes, and let's check our answers and see what we have. Everything seems correct. If you find this video to be helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, to the video, and if you need further assistance, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have special insider aspect on how to solve any of the lab at all. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.